Wanting to do content marketing for your business, but really don't understand all the benefits that you can gain while doing content marketing for your business to really find your next clients online using your content marketing? Hey, don't worry, I got you covered by showing you all the benefits that you're going to gain and all the clients you're going to gain through the content marketing efforts that you're going to do. Let's go in this video right now.
We all win when we all win. All win when we all win.
Hey there, my friend. I'm Super Sid, and I'm an organic marketing coach who has helped hundreds of people build systems so that they could find their next clients online organically for free. And in today's video, I'm going to go over with you the major benefits that you can gain when you do content marketing online consistently. And I'm going to go over with you the main reason that this works and will help you find your next clients online real fast. Let's rock and roll. Before we can understand the benefits of it, let's make sure we actually understand what content marketing actually is. So let's break this down, right? What's content? Content's going to be any type of way that we can deliver a message to a marketplace or an audience so that they can then receive and get that message from us and ultimately be able to absorb that message to be able to have the opportunity to make a decision on what that message is. And then marketing is going to be the way that we deliver this message and then the different strategies and tactics that we use to get this message through the content that we're providing this message out to as many people as we can so those people have the opportunity to see the message and ultimately take action on what it is that message is talking to them about. Now, ultimately, by doing this, you're going to get one major thing that happens for you. It's going to get more eyes on you, and when you're doing this consistently and building up your fan base, building up more people that are watching your videos, building up more of the people consistently that keep watching you and absorbing and listening and consuming your content, this is going to consistently get you, right, more eyeballs that are going to watch you, ultimately giving you more opportunities, right, to help people ultimately and sign up people to become your next client. Before I go into the three main reasons and benefits that you're going to gain when you are producing your content and using your content marketing, I want to remind you to subscribe to this channel. I'm putting out new and exciting videos for you every single day showing people just like you how you can find your next clients online organically for free. Make sure to click that button below and subscribe. All right, so when we're looking at the benefits of content marketing, it breaks down into three major benefits. And the first benefit is it gives them the opportunity to know us, right? If we're not putting out content, into the content universe, into social media and online that people can actually see, read, watch, listen to, then people are not going to ever really know that we're around. And then when we start marketing or running ads or doing whatever it is to get people to sign up with our products and our services, they're going to not be educated about us at all. They're not going to know what we're about, how we teach, or how we can help them. They're just simply going to be seeing us for the first time. And then the next thing that really helps us when it comes to benefits that we gain, right, when it comes to content marketing and our content marketing efforts is they have the opportunity to like us, right? When they see this content and all these videos, right, and they see these pictures and the stories that we provide through our content, then what we're able to do is we're able to then create a bond with this person. Then we're able to build that bond through consistent goodwill that we're giving the prospect, giving the people on the other side of this content consistently every single day, which is going to help them, right, want to see more and more and more content from us, ultimately getting to a point where they're ready to take that leap and buy from us. And last and certainly not least is getting them to that point to where they're ready and want to buy from us. And this is the component of trusting us. This is the component of being able to trust us. And ultimately, by getting to the point of them being able to trust us, because we are able to not only get them to know us, not only get them to like us, but now we are able to actually help them with the content that we provided. Now they're going to want to get us our help more and typically going to want to get our help faster because now they know the help that we're providing is actually going to help them with the problem and the challenge that they're currently facing. Looking to get started with content marketing for your business so that you can find your next client? Then my super content expansion worksheet is just for you. And right now you can claim your copy of your super content expansion worksheet absolutely free. Just click on that link in the description or head to www.supercontentexpansion.com right now today and you can claim your free copy of your super content expansion worksheet, which is going to show you how to take one live video shot from your phone and turn that one live video into an entire week's worth of content content for you to use on social media so that you can find your next client online organically for free. So don't forget, click on that link in the description, and don't forget, we all win when we all win. I choose to win today, and I hope you choose to win by clicking on that link in the description or heading to www.supercontentexpansion.com and claiming your copy of the Super Content Expansion Worksheet right now. We'll see you in the next video.
We all win when we all win.